We're on an insurance claim. For sake of insurance, we'll say it's Safeco. More likely, Liberty Mutual, same company. How about that? Well, should I get coverage for my carpet that got wet? Well, depends. Usually they're not going to cover carpet unless it's been depreciated. So there's coverage, but is it worth having coverage for it when it's over 20 years old, maybe even 15 years old? What is the lifetime value of a carpet if it gets wet, or what's the lifetime value if it doesn't get wet? Well, insurance will tell you, and they'll depreciate it. So when you're looking for insurance, get replacement value insurance versus actual cash value. Actual cash is the cash that would be after it's been depreciated. It's not worth much at that point. Replacement cost, replacement value is the type of insurance you want to have. It is a premium, but it's well worth the investment.